Peace, my crochet friends. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are learning the lattice stitch or the ruled lattice. This can be used for any pattern that calls for some open work, swimsuit cover-up, a mesh style, market bag, anything where you're looking for a lot of open spaces within your stitches. This is pretty easy. We're going to work with chains and single crochets, okay? So let's get started. I'm going to use this lovely yellow yarn today. And this pattern calls for starting with a multiple of 4 in the chain. So we can start with 4, 8, 12, and so on, right? I'm going to start with 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And for that starting chain, we are going to add one additional stitch here, so that gives us 12 plus 1, okay? So for round 1, we are now going to do one single crochet into the second chain from the hook, and then one single crochet all the way across to the end, okay? And pardon my nails today, guys. I bought a new polish remover and it's not strong enough to remove the color. So that's what's happening today. Okay. All right. We're at the end of this chain and we're now going to chain up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. And then we're going to turn this around. We're going to skip the first 2 stitches and then do one single crochet in the next. Okay. We're going to chain 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then skip 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. And one single crochet in the next. We're going to do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to skip 3 and one single crochet into the next. When you get to this last stitch here, you're going to do one double crochet. And then we will turn our work. So for round 3, we are now going to chain 1 and we're going to do one single crochet into this first stitch here. And then we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then one single crochet into the chain 7 space. Okay, and now we're going to repeat that. So we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And then one single crochet into the next chain 7 space. Okay, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And then one single crochet into the next chain 7 space. Okay, for round 4, we're going to chain 1 and turn. This is what we should have. Now we're going to do one single crochet into the first stitch here. And then 3 single crochet into this chain 3 space that we made. So 1, 2, and 3. We're going to one single crochet into the next stitch here, and then we're going to repeat with 3 single crochet into this space. 1, 2, and 3. And then one single crochet into the next space, and then 3 single crochet into this chain 3 space. 1 single crochet in the next. Okay. And then we are going to repeat row 2. Okay, so this is what we should have at the end of row 4. We're going to repeat row 2, which means we're going to chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Turn your work. We're going to skip the first 2 stitches and then 1 single crochet into the next. Chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Skip 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Single crochet in the next. Chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Skip 3. 1, 2, 3. Single crochet in the next. We're going to skip in the last 2 stitches, we're going to skip the first one and then double crochet into the last one. Okay. So now we're going to repeat round 3. So we're going to chain 1 and turn. This is what you should have. We're going to do 1 single crochet in this first stitch here. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then 1 single crochet into the chain 7 space. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 single crochet into the chain 7 space. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 single crochet into the chain 7 space. Okay. And this is what we should have. I did use a 4-ply yarn and my 5.5 millimeter clover hook. So this is what we should have at the end of that. Okay. And it'll straighten itself out as you continue to work along. And that is the ruled lattice stitch. Okay, guys, if you enjoyed the videos, make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe. I will be back for another tutorial and we'll learn a brand new crochet stitch. You guys can also follow me on Instagram at @IllisCrochet, and you can also visit my Etsy shop where I sell all my products. Peace to you guys. Make sure you subscribe and like. Thank you for joining me today.